Hi, Greg Watson here with my roundup of the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand figures for October, mainly focusing around the Manawatu, just bringing the news to you. So I've abridged or shortened the version of the monthly report, and let's have a look here at some of the important information. First of all, the CEO of the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand, Bindi Norwell, was commenting how the number of properties sold across New Zealand has increased by 15.5%, highest number of sales in 5 months. Now, that's not unusual with spring, that things would generally improve. Here's some key data that I thought you might be interested in. Remember, the figure that's relevant for us in the Manawatu is the median house price year on year. New Zealand, excluding Auckland, has gone up 8.9%. Even Auckland has gone up, so the doom and gloom stories are not necessarily as bad as they seem. We then look at the median house price, so New Zealand outside of Auckland, $479, up 2.6%. So let's have a look. Record-breaking information here. New Zealand sets another record median price. I'll just make this a little larger for you. There we go. And 5 regions achieved a record median price during October. The number one top place when compared to last year is a median price increase for Manawatu Wanganui of 20% to $344,000. The fact that it includes Wanganui in the wider area does bring that number down a bit when compared to, say, for example, Palmerston North City, but a 20% increase in value. Isn't that outstanding in 12 months? This is being fueled generally by migration into the area, whereas people seek more affordable places to live. So that's the figure there, the R meaning it's record, and you'll see that some other areas, which are generally regional, are experiencing records as well. The inventory I wanted to mention, or inventory, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Manawatu Wanganui has the biggest fall in properties for sale. So we're down 20%. So there's only 806 properties for sale in the Manawatu Wanganui region for that month. So isn't that interesting? Because remember, the median price is up 20%. So less properties to choose from, better prices. All in all, a very good time to sell. It's good to sell if there's not much competition, and that can help you get a better price. They have a figure called the seasonally adjusted sales volumes. When compared to October 2017, 8.8% more properties available. So even though we're down, the volume change has increased. May have got that slightly wrong, but the median price up 20% as shown in the graphs earlier. So Bindi Norwell comments on it. I'll highlight it so it's actually easier to see, arguably. So 4 out of 7 of the districts in the region saw record median prices. Horowhenua, $315, Palmerston North City, $412,500, Tararua, $237,500, and Wanganui, $240,000. Demand outstrips supply, says the CEO of the Real Estate Institute. And with new listings down, we can expect that to continue. First home buyer interest has doubled in the last 12 months, especially noticeable open homes, and it'll be good if more properties come on the market as there is continued demand. It again just breaks down those figures a bit, so you can see, depending on where you live, how those are going. Good to compare with a year ago, not so relevant to compare with a month ago. The volumes selling are up, so again, that stock really is running low. There's the median price, and you can see here really trending upwards for Manawatu Wanganui since the November 2015 recovery after the long flat period following the global financial crisis. There's the house price indexes as well, just showing how that is tracking up. So I hope this has been interesting for you. If you've got any questions about that, or you'd like to know what your home is worth, just let us know. Here at Watson's, we have people that can value your properties for no charge. Now, as well as that, just remember the rating values, particularly in Palmerston North City, have come out recently. You've got about a month to protest those. If you protest them, the rates shouldn't go up, but it means that you have a higher rating value, and if you're going to sell, that's what buyers look towards. So if you've improved your home and they haven't taken that into account, it's worth a challenge. Contact us, or we've got information on our blogs, I'm sure, on how to do that. And famous last words, Murphy's Law, when you're recording something, it doesn't show it, but I know certainly within the page itself, we've got the ability to contact us and we can get those valuations for you. Thanks so much for watching.